Hello friends and welcome to Think Python. Today I'll tell you how to install Python on your machine. So to do so there are two methods. One is the conventional and traditional way of working on Python, that is through your terminal. The another method which I recommend is to work on PyCharm community. So I'll tell you both. To start, first of all, let me tell you how to install Python on your machine if you want to work through the terminal. So first of all, go to your browser. To your browser, type this website www.python.org. So this website will take you to this page. Onto this page, under this Downloads tab, you'll see download for Mac OS. This will automatically detect your machine. As I'm working on Mac, so this is recommending me the download for Mac OS. So the latest version of Python is Python 3.8.5. So you simply click on Python 3.8.5 and then this will ask you to accept the downloading of Python. So because this is already installed on my machine, so you can allow it and download it to your machine. Once this is downloaded onto your machine, you can see this tab here, which is Python 3.8.2 Mac OS. Simply double click it. So once this is downloaded, we need to install it on our machine. So for installing, you'll click continue and continue again. So this is simply the terms and conditions which we need to accept unconditionally. So you go on clicking continue and next till you encounter the finish button. So once you hit the finish, this is installed on your machine, right? So after that, to start working, go to your terminal, right? So here simply type Python like this, hit enter, and this will give you all the details of the Python which is installed on your machine. So for mine, it shows version 3.7.6 and it is also giving me some default information as to when it was installed, at what time, and so on. So here when you see these three cursors, this is basically the command line where you can type all the commands and straight away start coding. For example, you can type print hello like this, as we do in Python, and hit enter. So you see hello is printed on the terminal. But this method of programming is not very user friendly, and also it does not prompt you about the various syntax, and there is no tooltip also. So though you can work on it, but to code in a more effective and productive manner is to use PyCharm community, which I recommend, and all my instructional videos are going to be on PyCharm community. So let me close this for a moment and let us see how do we install PyCharm community. For that, go to your browser and you need to visit this website called jetbrains.com. Now once you open jetbrains.com, under the tools tab you would see IDEs. Now IDE stand for Integrated Development Environment. So Integrated Development Environment is a more efficient and productive way of coding. So you have all these IDEs. Out of this, select PyCharm. So once you select PyCharm, here you would see this page. So here you would see this page which is PyCharm. It is asking you for download. Hit download. The moment you hit download, you will see two options here. One is the professional and the other is the community. So you need to download the community version because it is free and open source. Also, it will automatically detect your machine. See, the Mac is highlighted here. So if you're working on Windows, it will automatically prompt you to download for Windows. So click the community version of PyCharm. When you download here, so it will start downloading your software. All right. So because I have already downloaded this onto my machine, so from here you need to install it, right? So double click. Once you double click, hit PyCharm CE. So this is asking you to drag it to your applications. You can drag it to your application folder, or you can also put it onto your dock, like I have placed PyCharm here because it is easy to open it up quickly. So once you click here, the PyCharm community will open, right? So this is the window which you will see once you've successfully downloaded it and installed it on your machine. So I have all these projects which are already created. You can see on the left side of the panel, but because if you're working on it for the first time, you need to create a new project. So hit create new project. It will ask you the name of your new project. So name it first project and hit create. So it will load all the necessary components and it will create a virtual environment here. It will link all the libraries. It will take just a few seconds. So we are almost there. Yes. So see, the first project is created here on the left side of the panel. You can always minimize it when you are coding. And to open your first Python file under this first project, simply right click. So once you right click on the new option, click on Python file. So Python file, give it a name. I'll say first. There you go. Your file is open, your Python is installed, and you are ready to code. So for example, I gave a small command to print welcome to Python community, right? And you are ready to roll. So that is very simple, and should you face any problem, do let me know down in the comment section. But I know it is very simple to install, absolutely no problem. So install it. Happy coding. Take good care. Bye bye.